company's services. So based on my observation lately, many customer have concern about our serving time since we don't have a lot of employees to handle many orders. So we need to do something and solve this problem. So let me see the sales of 3 months ago.
Sir, these are sales in the past few months.
So our sales has been increases for the past few months, but I think we should conduct online hiring or HR manager should put a poster in front of our store so many applicants will see that we are hiring right now since we need many employees to under many employees.
Yes, sir, and I agree.
So after this meeting, we need to immediately execute the plan. So tomorrow, if possible, na makakuha tayo ng employee for the past few months.
Ron, are you studying all the requirements?
Yes, I not excited about that.
Are you ready for the interview?
Okay, let's go with that.
Good day, everyone. So good day to you. So welcome to Bright Cafe. So today we conduct our interview to the position of barista in this cafe. Please introduce yourself.
Good day everyone. I am Rinaldi Barasta and I am graduating and responsible and involved. And of course, I love helping customers and I want to explore this job.
In our cafe.
I want to work here because I am suitable for this position of being a barista for your cake. And of course, I'm applying here to help your business grow with your sales.
Focus sa my work and gusto ko tulungan natin mga team na assist yung mga customer na para ligtas at stay malinis ang concern sa ano.
So I have a question for you, Aaron. Are you willing to be trained and work under pressure?
Yes, I'm waiting.
What are your skills?
My strength is I'm a hardworking, patient, and
And also, Aaron, what does good customer service mean to you?
When we should hire you?
I'm entitled because I'm waiting to learn and eager to help me improve myself.
Thank you for your time. We will contact you if
So Aaron, thank you for your time. We will contact you for the result of the operation.
Good luck to you.